The first task of the day is checking the health of the pigs. This is extremely important to catch any early signs of illness. You need to observe each pig closely for signs of fatigue, loss of appetite, or symptoms of diseases like pneumonia or diarrhea. After feeding, it's important to monitor the pig's growth and overall condition. Take note of each pig's weight, feed intake, and growth rate. This helps in tracking their development and identifying any potential issues early on. Proper health care is essential for maintaining the pig's well-being. Aside from feeding and cleaning, regular vaccinations and treatments are necessary to prevent diseases. Another important part of the daily routine is caring for pregnant sows and piglets. Sows need a special diet to maintain their health and provide sufficient milk for their piglets. Ensure the piglets are nursing properly. If the sow cannot produce enough milk, supplementary feeding may be needed. In the evening, perform a final check of the pig's health and clean the pens one more time. This is to ensure the pigs are comfortable overnight and that the environment is as clean as possible. And that's a typical day on a pig farm. As you can see, it requires a lot of work and attention to ensure that the pigs are healthy, comfortable, and productive. I hope this video has helped you understand the daily tasks involved in pig farming. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more farming and animal care content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.